Tuesday, May 28th, and I just got off the phone with the customer, and I want to take some update photos here and check in with Dad, and we'll check in with him right away.
I can get the tracks on and get this finished off, and of course I need a rad hose. Guess what? We won't get a rad hose until Thursday or Friday.
Okay, so Dad's just giving me the brief rundown here. He needs the axles back from the machinist shop. He needs the rad hose, but we got the rad, which that's done, thankfully. I just got off the phone with the customer, told him that we still need the flex hose. What did they say on that one, or do I have to just order it from Summit?
Well, we'll see here in a day or two.
Okay.
The cylinder, all this is hooked up now. I just got the rod to the pedal.
Okay.
It'll come together once I get parts.
Okay, well, the customer says he's going to be up here June 27th, I think he said.
Okay.
So that's our time frame.
Here for a few days?
Yeah, here for a few days. Might even bring his 82-year-old father for a visit.
Oh, that'd be good.
Yeah, good. So that's what Dad's working on here.
That's what we're working on today.
Oh, okay.
We filled the gas tanks on both of them.
Yeah.
We cleaned the carburetor,
Okay.
and we got to check water and then change oil and change the props. So we'll probably work on this one today.
Okay. And what else is going on here? Just this one, or you gonna work on the other one there too, or?
You know, we got parts, so we can go.
Okay.
So Richie's got 15 minutes yet because he took an hour off today.
Okay.
And then I expect him to go to work and be quiet.
Okay. So.
But,
Okay, it starts at least.
yeah.
Okay, so Dad's working on the airboats, and then
I
but
gotta have a coffee now.
okay.
Well, Frenchie's getting geared up for inspiration.
Uh-oh. Okay, so Gad's hit a wall here again, and he's just waiting on parts, and that's
What we're going to do today probably is these pedals are all in line now.
yeah.
We're going to cut a piece of metal that goes down to here,
Yeah.
put it across, and then we'll cut metal to go in between,
Okay.
and I'll probably tack it on, and then we're done on this part. And I got to hook up the gas pedals.
Okay. What about that dash-mounted gear
Yeah.
shifter?
That's the dash for here. I got
Okay.
partly cut out, but
Okay.
that's it. Ordered the proper rad hose from the for 300 Ford,
Yeah.
but when they sent us the come over here radiator, when we got the rad record, they didn't change this nipple. So the real rad hose, the formed one, doesn't fit on here. It's too big. So
Okay.
I'm going to use a wire flex to hook up to here. It's supposed to be one of Carly's, so I'll go there and see if they got it.
Okay.